What we do here is go back.
Hi, my name's Lee Davis. I'm head of school for sport and public services and travel up in Ystrad Mynach. So the facility you can see around us, the investment put in was a £1.5 million investment from the college, which as you can see is, has left us with a pretty special product, but this has been a game changer for us.
That's an important message for my sport, so I find my work in athletics.
At the moment, it's the same as any kind of thing. The learners are loving the facility. The feedback we're having is fantastic. It's obviously bright and new and shiny at the moment, but the quality of the actual equipment in the gym is setting us apart. Is a unique selling point for us at the moment, and hopefully further down the line it's going to improve our recruitment and our retention of learners, but also when they do come into the college and the college environment, it is really, from a high-performing sense, it is really developing them for that next level of performance, whether that's from an academic sense, from their understanding of fitness testing and training and programming, those type of elements, or whether it is actually getting stronger to relate to on-field performance from their football or their rugby provisions. Not only the facilities, the quality staff we've got as well. We're really lucky within the school to have some really experienced and expert staff in the field of strength and conditioning and fitness instructing and training and programming and things, which has really added additional value to the learners using the facility. So it's a real opportunity for the whole college, not just for the school.